NCERT presents the story Sketchbook.
My grandfather has two children, my father and my aunt. However, my father was always given priority and opportunities. While my father received a good education and began working in the city, my aunt was married off in the village. Auntie sent her son Chetan to stay with his aunt in the city so he could receive an education.
Listen, please put the utensils on the table.
Daddy, when are Auntie and Chetan coming home?
They must be here soon, dear.
Ever since he went to live with his aunt, we rarely see him. Chetan! What happened to him? This was the question on all our faces. Auntie told us that ever since he went to the city to stay with his aunt, he does not feel like studying at all. He does not talk to anyone in school either. He does not tell anything to Auntie when asked. Who knows what has happened to him?
He spends the whole day drawing in his sketchbook.
Listening to this, Mummy said,
But this kind of behavior is not right.
He sits quietly like this all day. Whenever he comes from Gangapur, he refuses to go back. This time, there were some burn marks on his hand.
Hearing about going back to his aunt, Chetan said,
No, I don't want to go back.
Why didn't you take him to the doctor?
We had taken him to the Oja in the village, but even he has failed.
Oja? How long will you continue to have faith in these Babas?
Yes, you should take him to the doctor.
Okay, so let's go to the doctor tomorrow.
After talking to Chetan for some time, the doctor said,
Chetan mentioned that his aunt beats him a lot, which has caused him to develop a fear. Please take him to a good psychiatrist. In addition to medication, he also needs mental and emotional support. You should have understood the change in his behavior. This has been happening to him since childhood, and he has been enduring it all along. At this moment, he needs love and affection.
In just 3 to 4 months, Chetan's condition began to improve. The fear gradually disappeared from his face. Auntie decided not to send him back to his aunt's house and enrolled him in a school in the village. After a few weeks, Chetan came to meet us again.
Didi, I saw your sketchbook. I also draw pictures.
Chetan's sketchbook had changed. Now, on its pages, a cheerful little child was smiling.
You were listening to the story Sketchbook. Academic Coordinator Professor Usha Sharma. Script written by Khushi Meena. Narration Khyati Mehra, Presha Rawat, Mayank Vij, Jyoti Deswal, Abhishek Sharma. Technical Direction Rishabh Mahajan, Mayank Vij, Abhishek Sharma. Academic Support Bhavna Kheda. Development Support Jyoti Tiwari, Yachna Gupta, Mohammad Shah Alam. Cell for National Center for Literacy, NCERT, New Delhi. This program has been presented by NCERT, New Delhi, India, in collaboration with Pawan Productions.